Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export avatar only. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Vidnoz AI website. And after going there, we have to create our account. And after account creation, simply we have to go to the AI tools option. And after that, you will be able to see the export avatar option only. So as you can see now, simply we have to open this in a new window. I have already opened it. Now simply we have to go here. And after that, as you can see, we have to choose the screen, that which type of screen you want. For example, I want the green screen. And after that, we have to choose an avatar, that which type of avatar you want. As you can see, different types of avatar will be provided here. It's loading, so we have to wait for few seconds. And the third step is input text for your speech. As you can see, for example, let's choose this one. And the third step is input text to for your speech. We have to input the text. As you can see, this is the simple one is provided here. You can also provide your own ones. For example, we are going to make corrections in this. You can also do that. And as you can see, the voiceover is choose here. You can choose the AI character here, and the normal. As you can see, these all things are provided here. And after doing these all things, if you want to play the script, you can also check out the script preview here. And after doing these all settings, you have to click on the export video. And after clicking on the export video, it will take few seconds or few minutes in exporting your video. It's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. And after that, your video will be ready to use. So in this way, you can export only AI avatar on the Windows AI website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.